Good morning, everybody. I have here a 2021 Nissan Rogue TTS. This is what your dash looks like, and this is what I've found. Whenever you're taking this thing apart, you have a big panel here. Put your finger here, it pops right off. You have a Torx bit here, and then this whole thing just pops out. Okay, it goes around the airbag. You can see how it's kind of designed there. It goes around that, but everything just pops right out. Take the kick plate off, and then you take the kick panel out. Back here in the corner, there's a red wire for ignition and a white wire for constant. And then I'm going to tuck this back up here behind all that the fuses. I'm going to tuck back there just to keep them out of the way. If you pull the carpet up here and play with this, you can get that bundle out around over here so you can get everything to work on easier there. But everything there is perfectly nice. Routed everything up there and mounted the device right above the wires there. You can see it right there off that side piece there. And that is it. It's actually a pretty straightforward install once you learn what you're looking at.